John. Hello guys, we are here with my friend Hers. So interview, we will go home together, not together. Hers will go home first. So Ayo Hers, can you say something about say hi to our friend over there watching us?
Hello.
Over in India, all over the world, Romania. So, okay, Hers, tell me about yourself.
My name is Harsh Manas. I'm from India. I completed my school from IMET Chennai, and then I joined MERS in 2019. And it's my second voyage with MERS. Last was in Monte Rosa 9 months, and this I'm completing 4 months.
4 months, huh? So Hers already second ship. She's cadet ship and then they become officer, guys. So our next question. Which state in India? So,
Himachal Pradesh. It's the north.
north side. I have a friend in Kerala.
Yeah, that is south. It's in
South one.
yeah,
Mumbai where? Middle.
Mumbai West,
Delhi.
Delhi north.
So, what is your duty? What are your duties and
So my duties as a cadet is writing logbook 8 o'clock. And
You're working what time? 6? I see
8
6
to
o'clock.
5.
Oh,
No, 6 to 8 I do
Yeah.
study manuals. That is not in my work schedule. And then 10 o'clock I take counters.
So 8 to 10 is logbook for
Yeah.
the parameters, right?
And my permanent duties are taking water in oil test, boiler water test, boiler blowdown. And plus, as a cadet, you should also know all the engineer jobs. And I would say, for your initial career, take part in as much as maneuverings you can, because these things cannot come by reading. It's
Yes, it's by experience. Yeah.
And by the cadetship, you have to learn all the 14 engineer jobs. You have to finish your manuals, plus your own tar book, which is out of your work scope. So it's a lot of pressure on this cadetship, because you have to study manuals, you have to perform jobs, plus you have to write your tar book also. So basically, it was very frustrating for me when I joined. But slowly you have to cope up and have to make schedule.
Oh, stress.
Yeah.
But you already second
Like-
time, you still.
Yeah. It's okay. I overcome on this ship because I have already read manuals.
Yeah.
So once your manuals are fully all completed, your half stress is gone. And on this board, how I joined is like 3 days I'm studying, 1 day for my tar book, and rest 3 days I'm watching movies and my own personal.
Relax.
Yeah.
So can you tell us about boiler? Because for me also, I'm not so familiar about boiler. What is boiler?
Boiler is very important in a container ship. In boiler we produce steam, and by burning fuel oil, and we keep it up to 5 bar, because all the machineries on board need steam, directly or indirectly. Like the fuel we are burning in main engine need to be hot up to 140 degrees Celsius. So
Steam is water, right? Water,
Yeah.
hot water, and then
It is fresh
heat
water.
exchanger. What?
It's a fresh water. We are making it evaporate at 170 degree.
170 degrees.
Yeah.
Celsius or Fahrenheit?
Celsius.
Celsius.
The maximum temperature of steam we need is 140 degrees Celsius
140.
for our main engine fuel oil. And for purifiers we need 100, and for bunker tanks we are maintaining 50. So for that,
So can you elaborate about port engineer duty, because you are the next port engineer after you passing your
fourth
exam?
engineer duties, I find that even in your cadetship you should also know third engineer basic jobs, because once you become fourth engineer, you should also know, you should perform third engineer jobs also sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
So fourth engineer job is to make sure that fuel supply is there for main engine by running purifiers, and to know when to stop, when to start, and change our procedure from diesel to HFO and air compressors, air for the main engine starting and for other things.
Purifier compressor.
So he should know the purifier overhauling and air compressors. So purifier overhauling is like, purifier is the most complicated machinery I find on board, because main engine, if you read the book, it's enough and you can perform jobs.
Okay.
But purifier is like you have to read 2-3 times,
Really?
then you have to see 2-3 times, then you have to overhaul 2-3 times. Then you will
Overhaul
think,
also, overhaul very interesting.
it's like whenever I am doing job on purifier, it's like I am keep on learning. It's not finished yet.
Really?
I think it's finished, the new problem is coming, then it's everything.
Yeah, always,
But it took me around 10 months to know purifier, starting, stopping, overhauling.
oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
The overhauling part is totally different from starting and stopping.
So really this too, purifier and
Purifier and compressor, and you should know maneuverings, how we do, and yeah, these are the main jobs.
okay, so next question, guys. This is, what is your strength and weaknesses?
My strength is I don't give up, and my weakness is I am lazy.
Lazy.
Yeah, until I get into work or I get interest, I find myself lazy.
Okay. So what do you see yourself 5 years from now? What do you think? You're chief engineer, I'm your captain, because I'm planning also to take my exam, guys. Maybe in God's perfect time, I don't know when. Maybe Harsh already chief engineer,
No.
and also a captain in one ship, maybe, I don't know.
Rank wise, I cannot say, but 5 years I would like to become a good engineer. Rank wise, I will focus up to at least third engineer, a good third engineer.
Yeah, but I see your potential very good, as you can see.
Thank you.
So you make a lot of Harsh, you know how to anticipate the hazard, as we call this safety observation on board. And how you deal with pressure when working. And somebody you're higher than you pushing you faster, quickly.
I believe even if anyone is making pressure on you, you should always work on your own way, because the job on ships are different from those on lands. Here you cannot keep yourself up. You should only work up to your level. Otherwise, you can create some unsafe acts, and which can be life changing. I had one issue about this. I was told to clean the ICU drain alone, but it was hot, and I cleaned it.
Yeah.
But the place where I secured it, it fell down. So that caused slowdown on the engine. But that was the most special moment I feel now. But I didn't hesitate, and I told my superiors that this has happened, and because of this only slowdown is occurring. And because that time only this alarm came, and I immediately reported chief. So it was a lot of pressure on me because of mine. Many people are working, and we cannot find the fault. So
Yes.
it was a good moment for me also to know my ability. I took a manual and I traced electrical line, but electrical stuff I don't know much, and I found where it is stripped. So later no one told me that I did this because I find it after 2 hours.
Oh.
So in pressure moment, just be yourself. Always be yourself. Even if you know less, just be yourself. Whatever you can do, you do. Whatever you can't, just say you can't. Because at the end, you have to go your home safe.
Yes, correct. Yes. Go work, go home safe. So, Harsh, can you tell us a little bit on how to start ship engine? Because in car, I just switch on my key and already
Yeah.
start. I push the gas and start running.
So the engine we can start by 3 positions: by engine control room, by bridge, and by local. And from all 3, the starting system is same, but mechanical wise, I will tell you how we do. So first we are closing indicator cock. The indicator cock help us to keep the pressure inside the cylinder instead of coming out. And then we match the telegraph signals. Then the bridge telegraph signal is matching VCR. And then we open the air, because air is the one which is pushing the piston starting, and once you pick up the speed, it automatically injects fuel and it burns itself.
Okay. How about what's the function of the? We have generator on board. What's the function?
Generator is like giving electricity. Without generator, main engine cannot run because the main engine fuel pumps are running by electricity, and electricity on board is only by our generators. So if there is a blackout, that's why the ship stops, because no electricity for the pump.
What about the cooling for the engine? Seawater?
No, seawater we cannot use because seawater can cause corrosion and scaling. So we use fresh water, but fresh water we cool by seawater.
Okay.
And those pipes we always treat by anti-fouling system.
Okay, so you wish to add for the future cadets to come?
Thank you.
Okay. So where you sign off, Hars?
Swiss, tomorrow is my sign-off.
Guys, I will sign off Singapore. If Singapore doctor no come, I will sign off in Swiss, in Egypt. Hard will go home tomorrow. So wish good luck. After this, you directly exam or still need to have some training?
I will take a rest for 2 weeks,
2 weeks.
and then I will proceed to my preparation for exams.
So how's your life on board? 4 months without Shirley?
Yeah, it's okay because I keep myself busy by studying manuals and watching movies most of the time. Yeah.
English movie?
Yeah, English, Filipino also I watch.
Bye-bye. See you guys. Thank you. Watch and subscribe.
Yeah, watch and subscribe.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Hearts.